Hello everyone, I am Nata and today I will show you how to make these lovely pumpkins. You can use them like a back charm or keyring charm, or maybe wear it as a necklace. And for this project we will use wooden beads. Uh, I will show you different possibilities for different shapes. You see one of these beads elongated, one of them round. Also, we'll use 4 mils bicones, 3 mils rondelles or size 8 beads, 2 colors of seed bead size 11, and some additional finding. And for beginning, I will pick up 12 green seed beads on my needle. Make sure it's really 12, this is important. And make a loop from this. So for that we just go through all these beads again from opposite side and make a circle, just like that. Make sure you pass through all beads. You see our threads are made now, so and at this point we need to make sure we tie this nice and tight. 3 knots will be adequate. Important bit here, don't try not to put the knots inside the beads. Basically for that, maybe this little tail, pull this out of the bead so we can pass with our needle freely. And go through one bead, pick up 2 size 11 yellow beads, 3 millimeter rondelle bicone, again 3 millimeter rondelle, 2 seed beads in yellow, and 1 green. That's what we have. And now what we will do, we'll skip the green bead and we'll go back through all these yellow orangey beads, all the way through all of them, and pull our thread. That's it. So that's what we have for now. And after that, we go with our needle and thread into the same bead, but from opposite direction. You see a thread from this side, so that means we go in through this bead from opposite side, and through the next bead straight away, like that. Pull our thread, and we do all the same all the time. 12 times we will make construction reminding our something like a sun with 12 rays. But the beads what we will put on for this race, all this will be the same, and this is important. Make sure you're not making many mistakes, otherwise design will look a bit wonky. And again, go through all these beads but skipping green one. Here is our second ray for our little sun. And through the next bead. And the third ray. Skipping green, go through all yellows, orangey yellows. It is a nice color, I must admit, I really like it. And through the next green bead. And we continue. Make sure all beads on their places, all correct. And keep building lovely bright rays for our sun. Yes, through the same bead from opposite direction and through the next one. That's what we have. We're about halfway. That's how it looks like. Already beautiful. And now we're just sitting, relaxing, enjoying the process, and keep making lovely rays for our sun. Also make sure the thread tension is always good. We don't want it to be loose. So keep pulling your thread as you go. Make sure it's tight. Nearly there. I think it's just a couple more to go, or maybe one. Let's see. Yeah. Just keep going. Skip the green and through all of them, orangey. Same bead from opposite direction and next bead. And last one. Through the bead. And now what we need to do, we need to arrive at the little green bead at the end of our race. So for that we're just returning through all these yellow beads down this time. So our needle and thread depart from a little green bead at the end. And now what we will need to do, simple as connect all these green beads together. You see what we have now? A lovely sun with 12 rays. Nice and bright. And now we sew through all these green beads, one by one. Sorry about my hands a bit low, so you cannot see properly, but I think you get the idea. So now we put our smaller size round wooden bead inside and pull tight our green beads. And to make sure it all fits nice and properly, we go through all green beads again. Keep holding all the construction. And with our needle and thread, we're passing through all these green beads again. And pulling this tight. Make sure you go through all of them. Yes, that's good. Now we need to finish off our thread, and for that I will just simply go between beads and pull the needle and thread inside the loop. Finish off basically like if you would finish off your sewing or something like that. Just make a few knots. Just make sure knots sitting between green beads. So it's all nice and neat. That's what I usually like to do. I make some knots between beads and go through the next couple beads and make knots in another place. To make sure our design is not fall apart. Here we are. Now we cut off all these threads, and what we need to do is just to montage our pumpkin, put this on the pin and additional findings, decorate with the little crystals, and make a loop at the end of your pin. You can use one-step looper, or just if your pin is not so hard, you can just twist it, make a loop with your tools. I would prefer to twist my designs. That's what we have. Nice little pumpkin. Later we will add a carabin clasp, and so we can be able to hang this on the keyring or your bag. And these are two little pumpkins. One of them just you saw how we made it, and the second one it's a bit different. I will show you in a minute. This one, it's basically all the same method how to build it. It's just because it's different shape and size bead, like this. You see, it's like a barrel shape wooden bead, and it's a bit bigger, and inside this one, nice round one. But for bigger bead, we will do basically all the same process. And for the beginning, we will pick up 12 green beads like we did with the small one. It will be all the same except a couple size 11 yellow beads next to bicones. That will make our race a bit longer because our bead is a bit bigger. So for this one, let's put this things aside a bit and begin 12 greens. So them again, make a circle like we did for smaller size, all the same. Make knots. And we go through bead. And we pick up 2 yellow beads. And we can choose size 8 seed beads, or again choose this lovely 3mm rondelles. I prefer them. 1 rondelle, 1 seed bead, bicone, seed bead, rondelle, and 2 yellow seed beads again, and green for the end. That's what we have. 2 3mm seed bead, bicone seed bead, 3mm rondelle, 2 seed beads, and green seed bead at the end. And we do exactly the same like we did before. We're building all this race. The only what is changed, it's the order of our beads. We just add a couple beads so our race become a bit longer. And that's what we have. These are lovely little pumpkins. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more projects. And thank you so much for watching. Cheerio!